In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Cashplus customer support through various methods such as phone, chat, and email. This guide is perfect for anyone needing assistance from Cashplus. Whether you're looking to discuss account details or report a lost card, I'll walk you through the steps to reach out to their team efficiently. To start, you'll want to navigate to the Cashplus Bank website, which you may also recognize as Zempler Bank due to its recent rebranding. Once you're there, locating the Contact Us page should be your first priority. On their homepage, there should be a clearly marked link or button labeled Contact Us. Clicking on this will direct you to a page specially designed to assist you with finding the information you need. Once you've reached the Contact Us page, begin scrolling down the page carefully. As you scroll, keep an eye out for relevant information regarding contact numbers. You'll typically encounter 3 key phone numbers here, one for UK customer service, another for credit management queries, and a valuable 24/7 helpline specifically for lost or stolen cards. These numbers are essential for quick and direct communication with Cashplus representatives. Continuing farther down this page, you'll come across a section tailored for business partners and affiliates. If you're in need of contacting the partners team specifically, look for a hyperlink labeled Here. Clicking this link will provide you with an email address specifically for partner-related inquiries. Switching gears to focus on media and press inquiries, you'll need to return to the main Contact Us page. From there, look for options related to media or press contacts. The main page should act as your hub to navigate all types of specific requests, including those for complaints. When it comes to filing complaints, there should be another hyperlink subtly labeled Here's What to Do. Clicking on this will reveal more details, allowing you to access both a mailing address and an email address dedicated to receiving complaints. It's always helpful to have a central location for sending your feedback or grievances to ensure they are seen and addressed. Once you're familiar with email and phone support channels, don't forget to scroll down the Contact Us page one more time, as you will find links to Cashplus's social media accounts. Engaging with their social media channels can be a useful way to stay updated on the latest service announcements, or even to reach out in certain situations. With these directions, contacting Cashplus customer support should be a straightforward process. Always make sure that you're referring to the latest information available on their website to ensure direct and timely communication.